AIB is proud to announce the launch of our new redesigned PersonaGene report, an improved comprehensive pharmacogenetic report. The new PersonaGene report includes several new features, beginning with the personalized patient medication report, an easier-to-read color-coded report summary with consolidated therapeutic recommendations, an improved patient results card, a comprehensive PersonaGene medication guide that lists commonly prescribed medications as well as inhibitors and inducers, and less paper for ease of use. We've conveniently moved the detailed narrative and references to the AIB website. Why the redesign? As clinicians became more familiar with our former report, clinicians requested a more streamlined format. We listened to that feedback to provide more personalized patient results, more actionable information, improve readability and ease of use, and reduce report length. The report has been reduced by 90% over the last report. The result is the new improved PersonaGene report. Let's talk about the patient medication report. It returns results for medications that have documented recommendations for all CYP enzyme metabolizer types. Current medications available for reporting are listed on the PersonaGene requisition. More about that in a moment. Color-coded stop, caution, and go icon alert the physician to potential adverse drug events and, at a glance, provide critical, actionable information. If this report is not desired, the ordering physician may opt out by marking through the patient medication section on the requisition. The PersonaGene summary results provide color-coded stop, caution, and go icons that represent the previous red, yellow, and green table borders in the current report. Clinical implications and therapeutic recommendation results for all specialties are consolidated beside each gene. Detailed report narratives have been moved online and to reduce the number of pages and still provide the required evidence-based support. PersonaGene Patient Results Card. This results sheet can be shared with the patient so they have their genetic results for a lifetime. This sheet can be filed, or result cards can be cut out and folded. The new design contains color-coded icons to alert physicians to potential areas of concern. The PersonaGene medication guide is a new feature of this report. It provides a comprehensive list of commonly prescribed medications, again, as well as the inhibitors and inducers. This is sourced from the US FDA, as well as Indiana University School of Medicine, and our own 2.5-year report history. This is simply a list to serve the physicians, to alert the physicians to drugs they should consider potential issues. They should consult the latest drug packaging and dosage literature for the most up-to-date information. The PersonaGene test requisition. The test requisition will include a new patient medication section seen in the slide here. Physicians may either check the boxes next to the drugs listed on the requisition, attach a current medications list from the patient record, or opt out of the patient medication report by crossing out the patient medication section. If the information is missing and the patient medication information is not crossed out, AIB account support will contact the practice by fax 3 times to obtain the information. If there is no response, the results will be released without the patient medication report. So to summarize, a patient medication report specific to that patient, easier to read summary report, comprehensive medication guide, improved patient ID card, and less paper all add up to provide the PersonaGene new report format. A couple of questions and answers. In the PersonaGene sample report, the result summary, there is a green go icon for the 3A4 result, but a red stop icon for the combined 3A4, 3A5 result. How is that possible? The CYP3A4 and 3A5 enzymes interact together for many cardiology and pain management medications. However, 3A4 by itself interacts with many psychiatry as well as urology medications. This is why they are reported separately and determine different implications. It should also be noted that 3A4 and 3A5 also exhibit a cumulative effect demonstrating the sum is greater than the individual parts. When will we begin to ship the new requisitions, or when will those requisitions be available? The new requisitions will be an all kit shipping from AIB January 27th forward. Physicians wishing to use the new requisitions immediately can download the new requisition at the AIB website. Sales representatives who wish to change out requisitions in their physician account can order supplies of the new requisition using the account support supply order form. The last question, can a physician request the patient medication report after the results have been released or to be added to a previous report? The answer simply is no. Once a report is released, the patient medication report cannot be added as an amendment to the report. If the patient's medications are not provided initially, the final report will begin with the result summaries page at page 1. Thank you very much for your time and attention.